Well, hello everybody, Mark Anthony, the Vegas Tourist, and I'm at the Delano. Wife wants to go see a concert over at Allegiant Stadium there. That big Roomba over there, okay? And so I thought I would surprise her with a suite at the Delano, and I thought I would show you the suite. So here it is. Your guest toilet. All right. There's where the concert's going to be tomorrow. Nice room. Suite, actually, sorry. Of course. The do not touch it thing refrigerator. Mini bar. Keurig. And then the bedroom. Ooh. T-Mobile, Vidara, Luxor. There's the bed. There's more of the stadium. There's the palms. Closet. It all lights up, isn't it pretty? There's the safe. What's down here? Anything? Nope. There it is. Okay. Ooh, soaking tub. Yeah. Towels. The bath. The shower. Oh. Oh, a nice big head. I like that. Oh. Television. Always gotta have a television in your bathroom. There's the remote. And here's the other bathroom. So. Okay, that's it. For more information, follow me at The Vegas Tourist, and I will see you on the next video.